welcome to another exciting episode of KENDRA'S Cooking. Today we will be making cinnamon rolls. So first, we need to start by combining the yeast and 1 table of brown sugar in the bowl of an electric mixer like this one we have here. Very handy dandy. Okay, there's a packet of yeast. You can't stir without the thingies you put on it. I mean, that's just weird. But yeah. We're gonna just stir. I'd say we're good to go. And we gotta let the mixture sit for about 10 minutes. Okay, while the yeast is settling in our bowl, we are going to be melting our buttermilk with our butter. Our yeast is now foamy. And mix it in with our yeast mixture. Along with our okay, I think we're good there. And now we add our 2 eggs at room temperature. Mix it. There we go. Mixed up. Now we have to switch the head from the one we were using to this kneading one. Okay. And now we knead it. Okay, our dough is kneaded. And now it's time to get all this goop off. Well, first you gotta put it in this bowl that my mom has greased. That's a lot of dough. There we go. Now it is done, and we cover it with plastic wrap. Well, meanwhile, while our dough is rising, we are going to work on our filling. So we're gonna need unsalted butter. We are going to melt our butter for 30 seconds in the microwave. Oh, seems like our butter is ready. We're gonna preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Okay, we're gonna flour a flat surface. Okay, so our dough is ready, and now we roll our dough out here. Oh, this is foamy. I've never felt cinnamon roll dough fresh from rising. So we are going to roll it out. Spread flour on the sheet so it does not stick. Now we are going to brush the melted butter on here. This tool I think some of you guys might be familiar with. So you just dip, if you're not, I'll teach you how to use it. So you dip it in. I think we're good. ginger and nutmeg mixture and sprinkle it with brown sugar.
That's what it's called.
Oh yeah. And brown sugar. Apparently that part just turned invisible in the instructions. Okay, now you're just gonna grab the mixture and like sprinkle it on the cinnamon roll. This is what makes it taste like cinnamon rolls. Pretend like this is your floor and you're sweeping it. Okay, I think I'm done. Aha! Tightly roll the dough long ways. Okay, so now these are done. You want to see baby lilies? Ours. Our dough has now risen. We have rolled our dough, and now we have cooked it over here. But there's one thing missing. We don't have our glaze to go on top that makes it taste really good. So now we are going to work on our glaze. For our cream cheese glaze, we need to just combine the cream cheese and the butter in a bowl of an electric mixer. Beat together on medium-high speed until fluffy. Okay? Seems fluffy, very creamy. Really seems super fluffy. Super fluffy. The sifting of our sugar. Now to add our heavy whipping cream. With the glaze, I believe. Now we are going to put our glaze here. I shall grab a new one, such as this tiny. Now are we gonna glaze it with this?
Yeah.
I hope you had fun making these cinnamon rolls. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.